Arranging a gallery wall can be daunting if you don't know where to begin. Luckily, Hobby Lobby's here to help. We're showing 4 designer-approved layouts for a balanced and cohesive gallery wall. First up are the Eclectic layouts, and today we're all about vintage vibes. The key is to mix and match frames that are different shapes and sizes. Center one item you love, and use its color palette throughout. We displayed this mismatched artwork in both wooden and ornate frames, but the gold, green, and black color scheme gives it a cohesive look. Up next is the internal axis layout, which means there's an invisible line across the middle of the design. Our line is on a diagonal. Arrange art equally on either side of the axis for a balanced look. Tie this style together with framed art and wooden wall decor that all have the same finish. Dreaming of something less traditional? Meet the unconventional layout. We chose to arrange our canvas prints and accent pieces on and around shelves. Start with your largest pieces and then mix in a variety of items like framed wall art, letters, and canvas wall decor. A layered shelf is a happy shelf. Finally, we've saved the easiest for last. The minimalist grid layout is clean, classic, and beginner-friendly. You can keep the look small and simple, or make a big statement. The important thing is to space the pieces evenly and symmetrically. And voila! Instant gallery wall! Now that you're a pro at gallery walls, it's time to kickstart your imagination with a trip to Hobby Lobby. For more inspiration, subscribe to Hobby Lobby's YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when we add new videos. We can't wait to help you live a creative life.